often do you change your oil? Does it matter if I'm not driving it? Let's start today's video. Hi, I'm Tracy from the Service and Parts Department at Fredericton Kia. Changing your oil helps to reduce any excess dirt that can build up in your engine. What does that mean? Simply, an oil change will remove any dirt and help lubricate important components in your engine, keeping it running smooth and efficient, aka a clean bill of health. What do we recommend? Well, an oil change should be done every 6 months or 6,000 kilometers, whichever one comes first. Thanks for watching today's video. If you have any questions you want answered, send them in and we will answer them in a featured video. Please like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out our website for all products and services. Fredericton Kia, don't just dream it, drive it.
Fredericton Kia. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out all of our social media, and visit our website at frederictonkia.com.